Welcome to Homework Lib.
The height of the projectile is given by the equation the height after time t is 2 plus 24.5 t minus 4.9 t squared. And 24.5 meters per second is the initial velocity, and negative 4.9 meters per second squared is the acceleration due to gravity. So we want to find the velocity after 2 seconds and 4 seconds. Now the velocity formula is the derivative of our height formula. And so that would be equal to 0 plus 24.5 minus 9.8 t, which we can say is just 24.5 minus 9.8 t. And we want to find it at 2 and 4. So the velocity at 2 would be 24.5 minus 9.8 times 2. And that's 4.9 meters per second. And at 4, that'd be 24.5 minus 9.8 times 4, which is negative 14.7 meters per second. When does the projectile reach its maximum height? Well, that's going to occur with a velocity of 0. So if we set the velocity equation to 0, then 9.8 t equals 24.5, and t equals 2.5 seconds. The maximum height would be at 2.5 seconds into the height function, so that'd be 2 plus 24.5 times 2.5 minus 4.9 times 2.5 squared. Let me get that in my calculator. And that's 32.625. And that would be the maximum height. When does it hit the ground? We want to set the height function equal to 0. And I'm going to get a positive t squared value. And then we can do the quadratic formula here. Opposite b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So with substitutions, that would be negative of negative 24.5, which is 24.5, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And first we'll do the plus, so 24.5 plus the square root of negative 24.5 squared minus 4 times 4.9 times negative 2 over 2 times 4.9 is 5.08 seconds. And if we subtract for the second one, it's negative 0.08 seconds, which we can disregard. Okay, and then what velocity does it hit the ground? Then we want the velocity of 5.08 seconds. And so that'd be 24.5 minus 9.8 times 5.08. And that equals negative 25.284 meters per second.